the bridge, so it's literally perfect right here. First gear pull. I'm gonna do a first gear one. I haven't done this in a minute. Oh my gosh! Holy, those pops are nasty. Anyways, welcome back to another video. We do a little nighttime POV. I don't know how this angle is right now, but we're gonna send it anyways. Fudge. Dude, that freaking sound never gets freaking old. But pretty much, boys, the reason why I've just been posting POVs is like, for some reason, my POVs do so much better than any of my other videos. Like, I can be making videos with the C63, McLaren, and Lambos, and they do good, but not as good as these freaking just POVs. So I've just been vibing, bro. Like, I mean, dude, I enjoy driving this car, and like I keep saying, dude, no car is like this freaking car. Sheesh, bro. I can't wait until I get like a Mark IV Supra with a big turbo, dude. That just sounds so freaking amazing. Oh shoot! Out of nowhere, just I might be tripping, but for some reason I didn't see the merging, bro. Whoa, dude, what are they doing? They're doing some kind of construction here. Looks to me they just set these up too, bro. So out of nowhere. But I hope you guys have been enjoying these vids, man. Thank you for all the support, for real. We're at 11,000 subscribers. I still can't believe it. Yeah, I didn't close my valves because last time there was cops here last time. Oh yeah, there's still cops here. I gotta be low key. But I hope you guys have been enjoying the vids, man. Like I said, I'm still grinding my side thing. I really want to get an M5 by the end of the year. I told myself I need to succeed in what I do right now before I can get an M5. So I'm really working hard towards that and try to make some more money on the side. Because like I said, dude, buying a car is cool, but I gotta work for it, you know. I gotta make it worth it. Sheesh, there's hella traffic because that car crashed. Damn, that sucks. Sheesh. Honestly, with the valves closed, it's so nice. Honestly. I'm gonna open my valves back up now. Sheesh, bro. But just keep working hard, guys, man. I know everyone in the comments be like telling me like how like, dude, they're gonna get this car, their goal is to get this car, bro. Just keep working hard. Like I said, I'm gonna keep saying this. Just make sure you make a lot of money before you buy this car. Like, the car is not gonna make you money. It's gonna make you lose money. So just focus on how you can make more money. That's it, man. That's why with this M5, like I literally told myself, like, no matter what, no matter how I feel, I cannot buy it until I get my things together, man. And it's motivating me to work harder, man, which is actually the goal. That's the point of it, you know. You gotta work harder to get what you want, bro. I'm actually really happy, dude. It's been really freaking pushing me. This freaking street is so dark. TRX. Oh, fudge. Is it? Wait. Bro, what am I saying, dude? It's a freaking Ford. I saw TRX earlier and it was the same as that color. That's why I was like tripping for a second. Dang, man. But for real, man, thank you guys again for 11K subs. That is crazy, bro. I don't know why, but like all my older videos are like pumping views and I'm like getting a ton of subscribers out of nowhere. It's a hella vibe, man. I'm gonna be honest. I really do think, because like the side hustle, the reason why I'm not talking too much details because I don't want to talk about it until I actually follow through like perfectly. And so I want to follow through so perfect to where I can literally promote it to you guys and actually teach you guys about it eventually. And that's probably when I'm gonna like create a Discord and stuff, because I do want to do it full time, bro. Oh my gosh. I gotta make this green light, bro. I gotta make this. No. But pretty much, like, my goal is to, like, you know, if I'm become so good at it where I can like always be on, because I want to be on call with you guys. You know, I'm not just trying to only talk about it in my YouTube videos. I'm trying to get on call with it. You know, I'm trying to be connected with all you guys. If like find a way to like, you know, when I used to do it a long time ago, I always talk to my friends about it and stuff. Basically, dude, I just want to become so good at it where I can literally teach about it. That's pretty much it. And I've already spent like a year and a half doing it, so I know I can for sure do it. And anyone can do it. It's just the reason why I'm even willing to teach about it. People are like, oh, like, you know, we're trying to teach kind of sketch, bro. I'm willing to teach about it because I want people to succeed, but I know it takes hella hard work to even actually succeed in it. So it's not gonna just come like, it's not just like easy money. Like, it comes with time. Oh, dude, the downshifts are so nasty. The downshifts are so freaking nasty. I'm also probably gonna start putting my gym sessions in this. My goal is to record like every Saturday, and pretty much I want to upload like once a week, every 5 days, just because I'm really in the flow of gym, dude. I'm like trying to get really super dedicated, really back in the flow. Like, just because, dude, like, it's so much more worth it. Like, having a gym flow and just like being consistent while working gym and also like editing videos is just, it's really perfect, bro. And while doing my side business, it's like literally the most perfect like routine. That's why I'm trying to do it so badly. Bro, yep, it just turned green, bro. Oh my gosh. Does not get freaking old. Does not get freaking old. Oh, that felt good. That felt really good. I wish I could see who's behind me because I don't know if there's a cop or not. I gotta be. Bro, red light already. Fudge. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I've already been recording for freaking 11 minutes. What the fudge? Dude, this camera quality is nice, bro. What the? I hope it's crispy when I upload it, but I just need to make sure this dude, it's a Jeep. Bro, why does it have the same headlights as a Ford Explorer? What the fudge, dude? This camera quality is nasty. What the? Bro, I need to get the new iPhone though, for real. I've been procrastinating so hard for like no reason. I don't even know. If you guys are new, make sure to subscribe. If you guys enjoy the video, make sure to leave a like. Holy. Dude, it sounds so, I can't get over this, dude. It feels so good. Callus is too loud, bro. These pops are nasty right now. Oh my gosh. No, bro. Oh my gosh. Another freaking red light. Holy. Another freaking red light, bro. Literally, I've been hitting every single red light. Come on, pop, baby, pop. Oh my gosh. Sounds so freaking amazing. Another freaking red light, baby. Come on, pop. Pop, pop, pop. Oh, let's go. Got the green light. Holy, bro. This is the bridge, so it's literally perfect right here. First gear pull. I'm gonna do a first gear one. I haven't done this in a minute. Oh my gosh! Woo! That felt amazing, dude. Especially when it slips a little bit. But hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like. If you guys want to see more, make sure to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.